Are you following a ketogenic diet but not seeing the weight loss, energy, or mental clarity you expected? You might feel like you're doing everything right, yet small mistakes could be derailing your progress. Today, I'm uncovering the most common reasons your keto diet might be failing you and how to fix them so that you can unlock optimal results for your metabolic health. I'm Dr. Jess Bilger, and I help people improve their metabolic health with natural, evidence-based solutions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Reason number one, you're eating too many hidden carbs. One of the biggest reasons keto fails is that people don't track carbs correctly. Keto requires keeping carbs low, typically under 50 grams of net carbs daily, to stay in ketosis, where your body burns fat for fuel. Net carbs are total carbs minus fiber and certain sugar alcohols like erythritol. Many people miscalculate by overlooking carbs in foods like vegetables, fruits, sauces, condiments, and processed keto-friendly snacks. To fix this, use a food tracking app to log everything. Double-check labels for sneaky carbs, and stick to whole, single-ingredient foods like meat, eggs, butter, and low-carb vegetables and fruits. This keeps your carb count accurate and your body in fat-burning mode, while also helping you be more honest and intentional about the foods you're putting into your body. You've only got one, and it's important to take care of it. Reason number two, you're eating insulin-spiking artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners marketed as keto-friendly can sabotage your keto success. Many sweeteners like sucralose, aspartame, and maltodextrin can spike insulin and blood sugar, disrupting ketosis and triggering cravings. Even some sugar alcohols like maltitol have a high glycemic index, causing glucose spikes similar to sugar. A 2020 study found that chronic sucralose consumption elevated serum insulin levels in healthy young adults, affecting glucose responses and impairing metabolic health. In my practice, I've seen patients stall their weight loss or struggle with persistent hunger because they relied on diet sodas or sugar-free snacks loaded with these sweeteners. Instead, choose natural, low glycemic sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit, which have minimal impact on blood sugar and insulin. Better yet, focus on whole foods to satisfy your sweet tooth, like a small serving of berries. This keeps your insulin stable and supports fat burning. Reason number three, you're not eating enough fat, or the right kinds of fat. Keto is a high-fat diet for a reason. Fat is your new fuel source. If you're cutting carbs but not replacing them with enough fat, your energy will plummet and your metabolism will slow down. However, not all fats are created equal, and eating the wrong ones can sabotage your keto success. Processed seed oils like canola, soybean, or vegetable oil are highly inflammatory and wreak havoc on your metabolism, even on a low-carb diet. A 2018 review linked seed oils to increased inflammation and cardiovascular risk, counteracting keto's benefits. Instead, prioritize anti-inflammatory fats like butter, ghee, olive oil, avocado, and animal fats from quality sources like beef or salmon. Reason number four, you're not getting enough electrolytes. When you start keto, your body flushes water and minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium as insulin levels drop. This can lead to fatigue, headaches, or muscle cramps, often called the keto flu. To fix this, aim for at least 4,000 to 5,000 milligrams of sodium, 3,000 to 4,000 milligrams of potassium, and 300 to 500 milligrams of magnesium daily. In order to ensure you're getting enough electrolytes, try adding some pink Himalayan salt to meals. Eat potassium-rich foods like avocados or leafy greens, and you might want to even consider a high-quality electrolyte supplement. If you need a recommendation, I've linked my favorite electrolyte mix in the description below. It's free of artificial sweeteners and perfect for a refreshing, keto-friendly lemonade with a splash of lemon juice and stevia. Proper electrolytes help keep your energy stable and are essential for long-term success on keto. Reason number five, you're overeating protein. While keto is high fat and moderate to high protein, eating too much protein can kick you out of ketosis. Excess protein can convert to glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis, which can spike blood sugar and insulin levels. Try to aim for 0.6 to 1 grams of protein per pound of lean body mass daily, focusing on quality sources like eggs, fatty fish, or beef. Try using a macro calculator to find your sweet spot and avoid overdoing it, ensuring your body stays in fat-burning mode. Reason number six, you're overeating processed keto foods. Just because a package says keto-friendly doesn't mean it's healthy. Many keto bars, snacks, shakes, and desserts are packed with sugar alcohols, gums, preservatives, and artificial sweeteners that can disrupt your gut, spike insulin, and stall fat loss. If you're snacking on processed keto cookies or fat bombs, your body may not tap into stored fat as well. And it's also just super easy to eat too many calories when you're snacking on processed keto snacks. Stick to whole foods like meat, eggs, and low-carb veggies. And if you need a treat, make your own using monk fruit or stevia. Real keto is about metabolic healing, not swapping one processed diet for another. Reason number 7, you're snacking too often. One of keto's biggest benefits is appetite control, but constant snacking, even on keto-friendly foods, keeps insulin elevated, preventing fat burning. A 2024 study found that reduced meal frequency improves insulin sensitivity by allowing longer periods of low insulin, enhancing metabolic flexibility. Aim for 2 to 3 nutrient-dense meals per day, giving your body time to rest between. This encourages fat adaptation and lets your body use stored fat for energy. If you're hungry between meals, increase your fat and electrolyte intake. Those are often the culprits and can help you go longer between meals, especially if you're also incorporating intermittent fasting. Reason number 8, your poor sleep and chronic stress are spiking cortisol. Sleep and stress management are critical for keto success, and neglecting either can sabotage your results. Poor sleep and chronic stress elevate cortisol, a hormone that raises blood sugar, increases insulin resistance, and blocks fat loss, even on a low-carb diet. A 2021 study showed that sleep deprivation alters metabolic flexibility, potentially impairing ketosis by shifting fuel preferences. Another 2016 study demonstrated that chronic stress disrupts glucose homeostasis and insulin signaling, exacerbating issues on any diet. To fix this, try to get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and prioritize a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights, avoid screens, consider blue light blocking glasses, and charge your phone away from your bed so you're not doom scrolling cat videos till 2 a.m. For stress, incorporate daily practices like prayer, deep breathing, and exercise like running or weightlifting, as those massively improve cortisol. Reason number 9, you haven't given it enough time. Becoming fully fat adapted, where your body efficiently burns fat for fuel, takes time, and impatience can lead you to abandon keto before seeing results. For most people, it takes 4 to 8 weeks to fully adapt, depending on your starting metabolic health, activity level, and consistency. During this period, your body is rewiring its metabolism, shifting from glucose to fat and ketones. Early on, you might feel sluggish or not see immediate weight loss as your body adjusts, especially if you're coming from a high-carb diet or have insulin resistance. To stay the course, focus on non-scale victories like improved energy, fewer cravings, or better mental clarity, which you will experience in the first few days on keto. Track your macros diligently, especially at first when you're developing better eating habits. Make sure you're getting adequate electrolytes and stick to whole foods to ease the transition. In my own personal experience, implementing keto myself and with my patients, committing to at least 8 weeks will allow you to see the switch flip, where energy soars and fat loss accelerates. Be patient. Keto is a metabolic reset, not a quick fix. By fixing these common mistakes, you'll unlock the full metabolism healing, fat burning, energy boosting potential of a ketogenic lifestyle. If you're ready to take the next step, download my free metabolic health food guide using the link in the description. It's packed with food lists and strategies to help you stay in ketosis and feel your best. What's been your biggest keto struggle? Hidden carbs, stress, or maybe just sticking with it? Drop a comment below and share your story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Here's to feeling your best inside and out.